The Ashita Uni 10 from Rice Lake Retail Solutions is a PC-based price computing scale with integrated printer. With a modern, sleek design, it allows quick and accurate weighing and labeling. The easy-to-use 12.1-inch color-operated touchscreen displays large graphics, making it easy for operators to navigate. The 7-inch color customer screen provides stunning images and is integrated in the scale or can be mounted on a pole for added visibility. With quick printing speeds and a high-resolution thermal head, the Uni 10's integrated printer quickly produces attention-grabbing labels. A quick-change label cassette with label width up to 3 inches and a roll diameter of 5 inches, the Uni 10 keeps your production running longer with fewer label roll changes. The large platter keeps products from hanging over the edges, allowing for accurate and quick weighing of bigger items. Cleaning and sanitizing is straightforward and simple. The Uni 10 hanging version is ideal for weighing and labeling produce or for use in a seafood department. The Ashita Uni 10 is a durable scale capable of weighing a wide variety of products while keeping the workspace clean and sanitary. Learn more about the Uni 10 price computing scales from Rice Lake Retail Solutions at ricelake.com/retail.